Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana. I want to take a minute and show you a custom install for a front and rear dash cam on a 200 series Land Cruiser. This is a Blackview Ultra 4K. This review is not necessarily a review of the Blackview camera. This is not more so just that we offer dash cam installation services on new vehicles. You notice that there's two wires here. One goes to the rear camera, the other one goes to hardwire power. Another point of the video is just to see what it looks like while you're sitting inside your vehicle and what you can see when you're outside the car. Is it too obtrusive? Is it not? What is the point of having the camera specifically? So for me, it would be just if I'm doing a trail ride or vacationing and I wanted to have, video content of the mountains or whatever is near me. And I'm not gonna have my phone stuck to a RAM mount, worry about an incoming phone call to disrupt the video, worry about the safety features of fiddling with your phone while you're driving. Instead, you have an Ultra 4K high quality camera that just runs continuously. So based on the memory size of the actual SD card that you have, it'll record until it's full, and then it'll start recording again over the beginning. They have really nice features such as for security. So if the car gets into a collision, it'll record the previous 5 seconds automatically and store it permanently to your card. You can control the device from your smartphone. You can record at 2 frames per second in low power mode. So if the car, at nighttime, if somebody damaged your vehicle, you can actually go back and you can look at a lower quality. Here's a picture of the rear. And that wires ran up to the front camera. The brains are in the actual front controller. So you just have a camera with a wire ran to it. While the hatch is shut, there's really not much to see because of the privacy glass in the rear. You gotta be right up on it to see it, and there you go. So it's just a quick overview of a dash cam install on a 200 series Land Cruiser. If you guys like it, hit thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks.